Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you change the gender of BilliBilli comics on your BilliBilli account. Now for those of you wondering what is an BilliBilli comics is a live commented video community of anime, comics and more, where you can read manga, watch anime and so on. Now to change the base avatar of your BilliBilli Comics account, simply open BilliBilli Comics on your device and make sure that you are logged into your BilliBilli account. Now, as you can see, this is the home page of BilliBilli Comics, where you will see various options like feature, trending, mangas and so on. Now at the very bottom you will see options like home, serial, genre, library and the me option, which is at the very bottom right. Simply click on the me option, which is at the very bottom right. Now there you will see various options like card collection, redeem code, message center, settings, etc. And at the top you will see a girl like icon. Simply swipe it down. Now there you will see the option of choose a base of the avatar. And at the very bottom left you will see a girl and a boy like option. Simply click on the boy like option to change into boy and click on OK to continue. Now it says, are you ready to proceed to the BilliBilli Dream Resort with this avatar? Simply click on yes. Continue. It will update your data. Wait for it to get updated. Now you want to change your dress, then simply click on wardrobe and choose the dress you want to change. You may change your body shape, you may change the scene. Simply choose the option you like to change and click on the save option, which is at the very bottom right, to save the changes made on your account. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can change the base avatar of BilliBilli Comics account. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.